This one is even cross-niching the gingerbread with hockey, which is selling again. So you see here the power. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm trying my best to give you tips and tricks on Mesh by Amazon so that you can succeed. Today I'm going to show you how to cross niche. The first question we may have, what is cross niching? Basically, cross niching is to intersect niches with popular demographics and or events. It is the key if you want to stand out from the competition, drive eyeballs to your listing, and get sales. If I take one example of cross niching, we can have, for example, if you want to design llama, you can design, for example, a llama wearing a Santa hat for Christmas. Okay. In this case, you crossed the llama, which is an animal, with the holiday Christmas. Now you may ask yourself how to find niches to cross. The answer is simple. What you have to do is to go to Amazon, because this is where our customers are and we want to look what they are already searching. When you go to merge research, you leave it as US, or you can change depending on the marketplace you want to target. And t-shirt, me, I'll always leave at t-shirt. Keyword, you just leave it as empty for now. Then you click on search. You will have a bunch of, you will have here, doing that, you will have, according to Amazon, the bestseller t-shirt. What I encourage you to do is to directly go to, for example, page 3. Don't even bother about page 1 because the competition is very high. So it's better to go deeper. Go first on page 3, but I really encourage you to go even to page 4, 5, etc. When you are on your page 3, you're gonna see, for example, this one here, which is ice hockey. Okay. So what you're gonna do then is to take ice hockey, enter here ice hockey, and let's try to cross it with Christmas. Okay. To see if we have design in there that are selling. So ice hockey Christmas, ice hockey, which is the sport, and Christmas, which is the event, and you click on search. You have here, first of all, you can see a very low competition, ice hockey Christmas t-shirt, and let's check now the BSR. You can see this one is selling. You can see this Santa Christmas is selling. Another here which is selling. Okay. What I like to do again is to remove the hidden keyword orca here in the address bar, and when you look at that, you're gonna see much more. You can see here Christmas hockey 238, which is below 500k, very excellent. This one again below 100k, excellent. Below 500k, excellent. Below 500k, excellent. This one is even cross-niching the gingerbread with hockey, which is selling again. So you see here the power. We see here the power of cross-niching, and you can do that for every kind of sport. Okay, you can cross-niche everything, any kind of sport with any event. For example, you can take a sport and cross it with that. For example, hockey dad. For example, hockey dad, hockey mom, hockey grandpa, hockey daughter. Okay, hockey anniversary. For example, children that are 10-year-old and that like hockey and they are hockey player. You can do that. Okay, you can do, for example, you can cross niche the marriage. Okay, a player of hockey who is getting married, and you can cross, and you can cross again against all the holidays that are here. So this is how you have to cross niche. If you find any value in this video, please consider like and subscribe. and activate the notification bell for any further video. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.